What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. So we made a video a few days ago, basically me saying that I'm going to be keeping the Platinum Pro until at least the next generation Tundra comes out. There won't be like a 2020 coming or anything like that. But in that video, I did say that I'm going to do some upgrades to the Platinum Pro, things I've been waiting for a long time. Now, if you watch that video, you already know what I'm about to show you because I told you it was on its way. Well, it is here, ladies and gentlemen. We have something to unbox today. So there is the box. Let's play the honor system game. Pause the video real quick and tell me what you think that box is. But right now we're going to open it up and I'm going to show you. And then if you have any questions about the product, comment below the video. I'm very excited about this one. All right, so let's check it out and see what it is. I'm very excited for this, like I said. Here we go. I hate when they put these staples in the box because they really can cut you if you're not careful. So here we go. I'm sure some of you will know what this is. If you've been around the channel a while, we've been talking about this for like a year. Finally happened. Oh, it's starting. Pulling all this paper out. The suspense. Well, they packed it well. That's always good. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. And it is sweet looking. This is, if you don't know, the BA Muffler Dirty Deeds system, the TRD replacement system. This is supposed to be amazing, and I can't wait to try it out. So all you do, this is like the mid-pipe system on the TRD. You replace that. You still use the TRD tailpipe kit, which we will talk about momentarily, but it's a simple bolt-on from BA Muffler. If you don't know what BA Muffler is, it's a gentleman named Keith who builds these amazing exhaust systems for the Tundra, and everyone seems to love them. They're nice, throaty, but not obnoxious. So this is going on the Platinum Pro. But let's talk about that tailpipe kit real quick. So if you remember a few months back, I ended up buying a new TRD, what they call the TRD Pro tailpipe kit during that TRD 40th anniversary sale where a lot of things were 40% off. Okay, I have the tailpipe kit that has the black tips on it. We bought some paint because we're going to black out the rest of the exhaust. Well, the reason I didn't put that on for so long is I was waiting for this thing. I was waiting to get this, so now we finally have this. The reason for the switch, I've had the TRD dual exhaust on this truck and a few other Tundras, and I just wanted to try something a little bit different. I love the TRD dual exhaust, and I do highly recommend it. But this is going to give me a little more sound, and that's kind of one thing I've been wanting. So ever since I got the supercharger, I kind of want a little bit more out of the back of the truck. So this is going to be a great test. I know a bunch of you love this system. You don't own it. You're not sure if you want to spend the money. It's not the cheapest system in the world, so we will be doing some testing with this. This will be on the truck for the remainder of the time I have the Platinum Pro. We won't be switching back and forth. This thing is going on, and before I put it on, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bunch of sound clips with the TRD dual exhaust that's on there now, so we can do the before and after, the comparing of it, and we will see what sounds better. Obviously, I will be honest with you and tell you what I like more, the TRD dual exhaust or the BA Muffler replacement system, but I can tell you right now, just from what other people are saying out there, I have a feeling this is going to win because it's going to give me that little bit more sound. Love the TRD dual exhaust, but this is going to be a little bit more throaty, so we shall see. So let me know in the comments below what you think. I did forget to say this. This system right here is, I think it's between $1,000 and $1,100. Like I said, not the cheapest system in the world, but Keith is no joke. I mean, the dude knows how to make exhaust systems, and the coolest part, if you contact BA Muffler and you ask a question, you will talk to Keith directly. So you're going to talk to the actual creator about anything you need. He builds custom exhausts, exactly what you want as far as sound range and everything. So he's a really cool dude, and I really support the company, and very happy to finally put a BA Muffler part on the Platinum Pro outside. So comment below the video. Let me know what you think. Twitter and Instagram at Tundra234, Tundra234 at gmail.com. Guys, have a great day.